So welcome, my name is Waliula Olayiwola. In this tutorial, I'm about to show you my secret site that I go to anytime I need an article, a well-written article, in fact, written by native English speakers. So for a price that is not so high than, compared to the ones that other writers, ask you to pay. So just come to hirewriters.com. So as you can see, so and then you click on register. All right, so since I've already registered, so see, if you are a client who wants to uh, outsource your article to writers on hire writers, you click on this. So if you are a writer who wants to make money on this platform, you click on this. So since the money they pay for the writers here is too little, I do not recommend that you come as a writer because they pay, token amount of money. So and for amazing articles. In fact, sometimes if you ask them to write article for you and you don't get to pay. So you may not pay them if what you ask them to write you do not like it. So you just click on I am a client and then you fill all your details, right? So all your details like that, and then you click on I'm not a robot, and then you sign up. Now after signing up, so the next thing you do is to come here and log in. Click on login. Okay. Since I'm a writer, I'm a client, I prefer to be a client than to be a writer on this platform. Okay, so click on login. So I've ordered several articles on this platform. So as you can see, I still have some balance. So all you have to do is uh, just to create an order. So order content. These are the contents you can order. You can order an article to be rewritten. Maybe you find an article somewhere. You can click on this and then ask them to rewrite it for you, and then it becomes your own. So you can order Facebook fan page posts and all that. Everything you can order. In fact, even ebook. So other articles. So click on other articles. So after ordering the article, so you click on project description. So this is where you tell them everything you want the article to be about. Let's say I want the article to be about um, this article should be about let's say copywriting. I want you to please. So I think that's all. It has to be the title. Okay, this article is about copywriting. All right. So you select the article category. Is it adult? Is it animals? Arts and craft, business and investing? So you just click on the niche that the article is on. So let's say the copywriting is about finance. The copy you want to write is on finance. So then you click on the number of words. So mostly it's about 1,000, 2,000 words. So the time limit. So the price that they are going to charge you is going to be dependent on the time. So if you want a 6 hours job, so there will be an extra charge applied. So 12 hours is okay. Feature your project, you don't have to feature it, just click on no. So this is what it means. So make your project featured right here so that other people can see it. No, you don't want that. So the level, now the level that you want to pick would determine how much you are going to be charged. There are beginners writers, which is when any writer would do, general writers, skilled writers, experts. So mostly I go for skilled writers or skilled writers. I mostly go for skilled writers. Anything that expert writers can write, so skilled writers can also write it. So and the reason I always go for them is because they have completed at least 7 jobs and they have 4.1 star and above. So I just go for skilled writers. So article quantity, how many do I want to write? So just one is okay. So tone, you can also click on the tone. Is it friendly, funny, review style, and other? So just pick on one. So the keywords that you want. So just as an example, so these are some of the keywords that I've given them before. Just click on that. Then you put the special instruction. Please ensure the article is well spaced. So please ensure the article is well spaced and well researched. Do not be afraid to use humor but still be professional. Ensure the article reaches 2000 words and do not stuff it. So to make it reach that number. So everything you want them to do, all the instructions that you want to give them, this is where you put everything, right? So you can save for later and you can also submit your job right now. Okay. So when you submit your job, they can go ahead and start writing the job. So if I want to go for this now, this is all like click on submit. So I do not have enough money, so I'll just like up update my account balance in order to be able to afford this. So I'll deposit some money, so and then I'll be able to order the article, or I can just you know find some other ways around it. So that's essentially how to order article. So once they write it and submit to you, if you like it or you want them to make some corrections, you tell them to make those corrections and then they'll submit back to you. So before they submit the article, please know that they cannot plagiarize, because this platform has a copyscape software to test if the article they've written for you, if it's not plagiarized, right? So but you can also use a third party this thing, but before you accept the article you cannot copy it. They will just bring the article like that, so you won't be able to copy the article, so that people will not be scamming the writers on the platform. Because if you are able to copy the article content, you can just fire the writer and you won't have to pay them anything, and you've gotten what they've written, right? So that is that about ordering article on this platform. So maybe you have clients, so you get clients from you get article writing from clients who are going to be paying you $50, $100, $200 to write for them. You can just outsource it. So for the writers right here. So for you to have this rest of mind, so you can just go for expert writers, right? So expert writers, you already know that they can write very well and they have completed 12 jobs and they have 4.6 stars. Okay, so if you order such writers for your article, you are sure that your client is going to be happy as well. So you just give them maybe $20 or thereabout. Okay, $32. So and maybe the client is paying you $70 or is paying you $100. You just pay this writer $32 and you get to keep the rest. So it's a very sorry, before I go, if you want to add money to your account, so this is where you add money to your account. So you just click on add money right here, and you can add money with PayPal, you can add money with your Visa card and every other ways. If you have Bitcoin, you can also pay with Bitcoin. You click on Nigeria or Kenya or wherever it is you are ordering article from. So Nigeria, so your card number, so and all that, and then you add the money. It's as simple as that. So the last thing that I want to show you is, okay, you have now found out where to order articles, at a very cheap price, $10, $15, $13. So where do you now sell these articles? You can come to this site. Just go to Google and search for blog that pay writers. Okay, and you find a lot of blogs that can pay you to write. So you can even put in 2021. Okay, so how to make a living writing? 92 websites that pay $50. So just come, you can come here, all right? So you find a list of sites, right? So that pay you to write, right? So it's as simple as that. Just come to that. Let's say what you are writing about is about business related article. So you go to this site, so and then you submit, all right? Okay, so you can find, so look at this one pays $325 for you to write for them. Can you see? Copy hackers. So the same with others like that. So you just have to apply to write for them. So and then they will be happy to, you know, different type of writings, family and parenting, health. So this is essentially what you've been looking for. So and then you get paid like that. So I wasn't going to have this before, but I thought, I mean, what do you stand to, what do I stand to lose if I show you some of these ways to make at least $300 $500 per month as a writer. So that's it. I hope you've learned something new, and I hope you implement what you've just learned. And I look forward to your success story. Thank you very much for watching.